This is Hasmukh Ahir. Today topic 3.3 average velocity and average speed. In first case, average velocity when object is in motion, so its position change with time. Its position change with time means average velocity is equal to change position or displacement divided by time interval. So average velocity v bar is equal to average velocity v bar is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. V bar is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1, where x2 and x1 means x2 final position of object, x1 initial position of object, and upon respectively time t2 and t1. Okay, now means is equal to del x upon del t, means here we know that del x is equal to initial position minus final position, means initial displacement minus final displacement minus initial displacement, and del t is equal to t2 minus t1. Okay, for in displacement, for in average velocity case. In del x is equal to x2 minus x1 and del t is equal to t2 minus t1. For SI unit of average velocity, meter per second or kilometer per hours. Okay, here we know that displacement upon velocity is equal to displacement upon time, means here like displacement is vector quantities, so also here average velocity is vector quantities. Okay, average velocity is also vector quantities. Here already we know that about displacement may be positive, negative and zero, but speed always positive, average speed always positive value. So this is the average velocity of is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1 is equal to del x upon del t. Okay, now in second, here we take one example for one car is motion. So time interval between 5 to 7 seconds. Here we find average velocity. So average velocity v is equal to x2 minus x1, means x2 27.4, x1 10 meter, final position minus initial position, means is equal to 27.4 minus 10 upon final time minus initial time, means 7 minus 5. So is equal to final answer is 8.7 meter per second. This is average velocity. Okay, now here we have three different type of graphs. In first graph, x versus t, displacement versus time, origin, straight line, means in this case average velocity here increase with time, average velocity increase with displacement, increase with time means positive sign. In second graph, negative means negative portion in this case. So here displacement decrease with time. Displacement decrease with time. So here negative average velocity, and third one is constant displacement value with time. No change in displacement. No change in displacement means this one in case average velocity is equal to 0 because of initial position and final position. Each and every point is same, means x2 minus x1 is equal to, suppose this is 20 centimeter, so 20 minus 20. Okay, so here answer is average velocity is equal to 0. Now next point is average speed. In this case, for average speed is equal to, again here we know that for average velocity is vector quantity and average speed is scalar quantities. So here average speed is only depend on magnitude, not depend on direction. Average speed depend on only magnitude, not depend on direction. Here average velocity depend on also average magnitude, and second is direction of the object. Average speed is equal to total path length upon total time interval. Okay, total path length upon total time interval for average speed. In average speed is equal to total path length traveled divided by total time interval. SI unit of average speed same, meter per second for average speed. So here average velocity depend only on magnitude of the object, not depend on direction, Okay. One. Here two type of case above shown in figure. Average velocity is equal to displacement upon time interval. Average velocity is equal to 360 meter upon 18 second. Means answer is equal to 20 meter per second average velocity. Same for average speed is equal to 360 upon 18 second is equal to 20 meter per second. Now in the second case, V bar is equal to total displacement of the object 240 meter, total time interval 18 plus 6, so is equal to 10 meter per second, means plus value 10 meter per second positive for average velocity. In the second case, average speed is equal to 360 plus 120 upon 24 second, means is equal to 20 meter per second. In general case, average speed in general case always almost greater than to average velocity.